Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K Sangma participated in the Dream and Build initiatives of the Social Welfare Department at U Soso Tham Auditorium on 5th of December 2023. The event, attended by dignitaries including Minister of Social Welfare for Lyngdoh and Minister of Health and Family Welfare Dr. Ampareen Lyngdoh, focused on drug rehabilitation through the Drug Rehabilitation, Elimination and Action Mission or DREAM, and bringing unity in Locale Against Drugs or BUILD program. The Community Accord Against Drug Abuse was also endorsed during the event. Additionally, Chief Minister Conrad Sangma presented a ₹6 lakh cheque to Mawlai Dorbor for their efforts in drug rehabilitation. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma emphasized the importance of youth in transitioning to a sustainable economy and acknowledged the role of community leaders in the BUILD program. He urged upon a compassionate approach towards drug abusers, emphasizing the need for guidance for children at the right time.
The components, we are giving an amount of 6 lakhs of rupees.
Meghalaya traditionally has been an economy, what we all call in economics as an extractive economy. An extractive economy is an economy that works based on extracting and using its resources. We sell our resources and we grow our economy. It is not sustainable in nature. And hence, the world across and countries across are moving towards what we call a regenerative economy, where we allow our resources to regenerate and we don't depend on our extractive resources to build our economy. But apart from this greatest resource of time, one of the more important resources for any nation is its youth. So no matter what resource we have, whether it's coal or limestone, these are all extractive economies and they will perish in days and years to come. And hence, it is only our youth. And that's why Israel is a great model. Singapore is a great model of economies which have been able to regenerate, basing their policy on the youth, which is, as I said, one of the greatest resources we have. So having said that, what are we trying to do out here? What we as a government are trying to do is take care of this greatest resource that we have. And that's the reason why in the past 6 years, our policies have been broken up into 2-3 multiple sectors, or you can say, divisions or systems that we try to create. The first is, we have what we call a stakeholder approach. It's not about drug abuse alone. It's not about entrepreneurship alone. It's not about music alone. It's not about education alone. It is about the youth at the center of our policy on this stakeholder approach. And the stakeholder is the youth, and how do we put in different aspects of the youth to have a more holistic policy to push what is important for our youth.